Hey, what's up, guys? So, for Christmas this year, I decided to build my girlfriend her present, and this is what I came up with. It's an iPhone slash iPad charging dock made out of solid oak. And it's really cool because it looks like it's floating on a bed of light there. So, let me hit the lights and we'll take a closer look at how I put this together. Okay, so here is the dock, and as you can see, it's made completely out of oak. And if we look at the bottom there, you can see how it's actually floating. There is a, let me turn the LEDs off so you can see that a little better. So you can see that there is essentially two boxes there, one outer box here and then an inner box, and then there's a gap in between the two boxes where the LED strip is mounted. So basically the way I put this together was I built this outer box with these four pieces, routed them off real nicely, sanded everything down, used Gorilla Glue, let that sit overnight, and then I put in the bottom platform here, which is kind of recessed down a little bit, and then I put a lip here, a piece of wood here on the front to kind of block part of the lightning cable connector there, which was the actual next part of this build, which was to put this lightning cable connector in, which is basically just a standard lightning cable I got off Amazon, and I drilled out a hole that just barely fit the connector itself. Used some hot glue in there so it would give it a little bit of play when you're mounting, an iPad, or let me show you what it looks like with an iPhone. This is a 5S here. So you can kind of see how it all goes together there. And then there's a back piece here that's used to give it some support. So that's just another piece of oak that was angle cut and then put in there. And I kind of tweaked it to find that nice resting angle for it. And again, all Gorilla glued together. After I had the whole platform here mounted in, and that was dry, then I moved on to the LEDs. So I put in a few scrap pieces of oak in there to mount the LEDs to, and then I got this really cheap LED strip online. It comes with this remote so you can change all the different colors and animations, and I glued that in there along the edge there, and then I built the inner box here, and again, that's just four pieces. There's a little cutout on the top there to let the wires feed through, because in the inside of this box is where the little control module for the LED strips is mounted. So that's pretty much it. Mounted that in there and let everything dry. In the back here, I've got the infrared receiver for the LED strip mounted. And that's it. And it turned out really nice. So I'll just hit that. And that was the iPhone slash iPad charging dock. I thought it would have been a good idea to actually show you step by step on how I built this thing, but I was moving so fast that, I just put it together. So anyway, that is the project. Thanks for watching.